Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Becky Long and today we're going to be talking about favorite recipes enhanced, not forgotten. So before I get started, I like to talk about why I'm qualified to even discuss this topic. So years ago I was actually in the hospital. I was sick and unfortunately I wasn't given any answers. So I became a health coach so I could learn more information for myself, but then it became my mission, and it still remains my mission to this day, to take all the resources and information that we gathered along my journey and share them with other people so they could go from wherever they are presently with their health to wherever they want to be, whatever that means for them, in a faster and easier fashion. So that's why you do what I do. I try to share this message with as many people as I possibly can because I think there are a lot of symptoms and diseases that people think they just kind of have to deal with. And I think that's sad because it takes them away from what they're really passionate about and what they want their life to be about. And I don't think that has to be the case at all. I've helped a lot of people to come back from the brink of illness and people with full-blown illnesses also. And everybody I work with always talks about the healthy, quote, side effects that they experience that they never even expected to happen along the way. I mean, food really is that powerful, and I try to really impress that upon you with every post, every video that I make. It really is powerful, and it's something that we should really, embrace, really take what it has to offer. And we have at least 3 times a day, depending on how often you eat, and including snacks, to really harness that and take advantage of it. And I definitely think we should. I mean, yes, there are ways with a healthy enough diet and lifestyle to reverse diseases and symptoms, but that has to be more strict in that case. And I just think prevention is a lot cooler. So that's why I do what I do, and I try to teach people that, it's really not hard to do what I teach. So back to the topic for today of favorite recipes enhanced. And that's really important. I think that I understand, I totally recognize that change is hard. Change is it can really be something that's really difficult for a lot of people. But the thing that I try to impress upon people also is that you're not really giving up your favorite foods or any recipes that you really liked. It's more about enhancing them, refreshing them, shining them up, whatever kind of phrase that you want to use for it. But you're really just, adding a whole nother layer to it. And especially if cherished family recipes. I know that can be, something hard to think about. You don't want to give up foods that you were raised on. And I totally get that as well. And I just think that you're kind of honoring those recipes even more by bringing them up to date and just giving them, again, a refresh or an enhancement or, shining them up in some way. And really, in doing that, you're really, continuing to offer something to future generations so they can continue to cherish those recipes and have memories around those foods as well. My friend Brittany Giroudi is doing exactly that, actually, and is willing to help people out with that. So if you comment down below, I will definitely connect you with her. She's really looking to do that, to take cherished family recipes and really enhance them. So I think that would be awesome. If you want to do that, then she's definitely a person to help with that. And I will help you as well. So we have 2 resources right here ready to go. So I'm on all different social channels. So our Benefits of Eating Plants is our Facebook group that is linked in the description below. So I definitely encourage you to join that if you haven't already. We also have our monthly mastermind, the Transition Nutrition in Real Life, that you can also join. And then here on YouTube, you can follow along with me. Please like and comment on my videos and share them so that you can help me, like I said in the beginning, to really get this message out to as many people as possible. I'd really appreciate your help with that, and thank you in advance. Because like I said, it just really helps my mission. So if there's any topics that you want me to cover in a future video, definitely let me know that. You can either comment or send me a private message. And then also, if there's anything that you have any experience with that you want to add to what I've said, then definitely post that down in the comments as well. And I think that'd be awesome that we all can learn together and learn from each other. So I think that's about it. Until next time, have a beautiful and colorful day. Bye, everybody.